move the water.
Hey everyone.
Okay, hello. As requested by certain individuals, we're doing a mukbang today.
Like one person.
Yeah, actually.
Get at my snap, hno.s.
Anyway, Haname couldn't wait because, as usual, she's got the most on her plate.
And most of my belly.
Yeah.
Where's the salt?
And the most on your...
Bum, that's true, thank you. Where's the salt? Oh, it's there.
There's most on there.
Oh, okay.
You know when you eat, your elbows don't have to be all the way.
I need a lot of surface area.
We can't even see Donna's food. Man, your food is so dry. Well, because this buffet didn't have anything good.
Are you joking?
Let's go for a mukbang. So you
Obviously, they're a lot good for me.
It's got rice and vegetables.
Yeah.
Reflects personality, to be honest. Tell me.
If you ask me, Donya.
Yeah, exactly.
Sonia. We are twins and we've lost 3 kilos. I'm about to gain 3 more kilos. And we're prostitutes, according to my mum. Right, Susie?
Who's Susie?
Who's Susie?
Anyway, what intellectual conversation are we having today? Intellectual conversation.
Let's talk about global shifts. What is global shift to you?
That's the only big word you know.
Retake.
How's Subby?
Subby? Yeah, Subby's quite good actually. So Melody's a stupid bitch. She brought in the stray cat into our room yesterday. You know she did that? She brought it into the room.
Yeah.
She thought it was thirsty.
It was thirsty.
It wasn't though.
Go throw it in now. No, it was thirsty. I have to. Why did it have to drink in the room?
Why can't you put a glass outside for
I
it?
was lonely.
You were lonely?
Go outside with the cat then. I couldn't hand me was out there. Okay. Anyway, I took it back out again. So what different flavours you got on your plate today, Sissy? Me? Yeah. And then we'll move on to Big Yell Haname.
Sonia.
Your hands in, even your hands are big. Your fingers like Shrek. Got dinosaur nails on.
I'm not even going to get rude on camera. Don't, see, this is me natural. I don't act art. What?
Should I tell them about your flavours then? My flavours today on the menu, we have
White rice.
sauteed chicken nuggets and some broccoli.
That's fried fish, don't add that.
Is it? And Haname, how many chips have you got on your plate today?
I've got 3 chips on my plate today.
Yesterday she had 11 chips. And how many pieces of pasta?
I'll say about 7.
Oh, calm. Any nuggets?
Not today.
Oh, so this is Haname's light and fruitful starter today. She already had 3 drinks and 8 shots of tequila. So no, actually 11. Or was it 11?
I don't know what's wrong with the alcohol here. I can drink so much and not get drunk.
Because you're fat.
It's true.
Because you have better tolerance.
It's true. I've got a slow metabolism, right? I've got the metabolism of a 33-year-old according to the gym, so fuck knows, man. So Melody, you went out with Mohammed, didn't you? Oh.
Hello. We actually just found that out. And me and Hanme are pretty disgusted.
Disgusted. We are shocked at my sister.
Thank God we're not
triplets.
It wasn't for a long time. He's still nice, he just turned a bit weird. He had a mental breakdown.
You can't post this.
I'm posting it. You've been exposed.
I'm not in this. If you're posting that, I'm not in this.
Why?
It's not a bait out thing.
Why not? Take the glass! It's gonna cover you!
So skinny, fucking hell.
Move the glass.
So guys, it's a mukbang today. And as you can see, my belly's already quite big. It's about to get bigger.
I can't see.
Well, they know my belly's quite big.
Well, they've never met us, so I think we should tell them about ourselves.
Hey, so my name's Hannah May.
She's doing resits, but
I'm 13. I just done my SATs.
SATs when you were 13, idiot.
It is. I just want to eat my food while I...
Yeah, she knows, sometimes she eats to the point where she can't breathe. That's not very nice. Yeah, that's in there. Eating in my bedroom and she went... nice.
It is. Basically, I went to doctors because when I eat, I breathe really like heavy breaths. Just how I am. So I inhale a lot of air.
Don't take too many big mouthfuls.
No, it's not. It's not.
This is. The organs are screaming for air.
Everyone knows at home, my plate is like this big. That's it. That's all I eat. You all know it. You all know it. Don't try it. My bowls, I bought small bowls that only I use. I can't believe you lot are lying right
Which
now.
bowls?
The smalls I got from Wilco.
The salad bowls.
Tommy.
No, fuck off.
No.
The ones that are like the size of my palm.
What did you buy the size of your
Boy.
hands though?
Boy.
Yeah.
Anyway, I bought smaller bowls and my portions have changed.
Yeah, how
They have.
There's water there. Can you use your straw?
One chip left, guys. We'll get some more in a sec.
Show them your plate again. You're not going to cut this, I'm going to say this is your third plate.
Do what you want, I don't care, but I'll tell the truth in the comments.
Did you get spring rolls?
I got one.
Like it.
They're really yummy.
Yummy.
Have you had a fish job?
Yes, that's why I don't need to face tune. That's why I don't need to face tune now.
Oh.
That's why I don't face tune my face.
No.
Second one?
A
Has
lot.
it made a difference?
I already released a vlog about it. It's coming. The vlog's pending. Also, I don't face tune my face.
Right.
No, I don't.
That's your bum?
No.
That's right, you should.
No, I don't. I don't face tune my face.
Yeah, if you don't face tune your bum, I'm saying you should face tune your bum. That we match. How to be triplets.
I don't take
And
photos of my bum.
How to sell that we're triplets if you don't face tune your bum so you match us.
Can you not stretch your arm across the whole screen because it blocks everything? We can stop in 10 seconds because then it'll be a 10-minute video and I'll get monetized.
Monetized? What's that?
Money.
No, you won't. From Instagram TV.
No, it's not going on Instagram. It's going on YouTube.
If it's over 10 minutes, you get money.
Yes, you get more money.
What was I going to say? Let them see how Hannah eats because look at her knife when she uses her knife to talk.
Okay, vote down in the comments what you want to see Hannah eat next.
They're gonna say like shit. They're just gonna say dog shit.
Wait, if you make money,
Statement from the garden, so it's
if
fine.
you make money, that means we make money.
Yeah, she only made money.
How much?
We got 11p one time. She made me split it.
She's taking the piss.
Serious.
She needs it more than you.
Okay guys, I'm going to end the mukbang here. Because my phone can't handle all this footage. So thank you for watching. And we'll see you again soon.